Good day. I am Gian Duhina from ECA 103 Section B15 presenting Humidity Hygrometer Sensor that tells about the use of transducers in this course subject. History and background of hygrometer and humidity sensor. Humidity is the amount of water vapor in the air. If there is a lot of water vapor in the air, the humidity will be high. The higher the humidity, the wetter it feels outside. On the weather reports, humidity is usually explained as relative humidity. Relative humidity is the amount of water vapor actually in the air. Expressed as a percentage of maximum amount of water vapor the air can hold at the same temperature. It is also blamed for all kinds of negative things, including mold in your house, usually found in the bathroom where it's wet and a lot of time, as well as the malfunctions in regular household electronics. Moisture from humid air settles or condenses on electronics. This can interrupt the electric current, causing a loss of power. Computers and television sets can lose power like this if not protected from the effects of humidity. Living with humidity is easier with the aid of a dehumidifier which sucks out the moisture out of the air. Concepts or principles involved. Liquid water is useful, as it is an essential for all life. Water vapor doesn't seem like it's useful for much of anything, other than making you uncomfortable. Although, water evaporation and humidity serve a critical function of the natural world. When liquid water evaporates into gaseous water vapor, it has completed one-third of all important water cycle. The water cycle is nature's way of distributing water to things that need it. If water didn't evaporate, clouds could not form, and it would not rain. Applications used from the hygrometer or humidity sensor. The applications of humidity sensor range far and wide. People with illnesses affected by humidity, monitoring and preventive measures in homes employ humidity sensors. A humidity sensor is also found as part of home heating, ventilating, and air conditioning systems, or HVAC systems. They are also used in offices, cars, humidors, museums, industrial spaces, and greenhouse, and are also used in meteorology stations to report and predict the weather. Here is an example of an application or sample demonstration of humidity sensors or hygrometer.
Alps Alpine has a strong reputation for designing and manufacturing high-quality humidity sensors for electronics. We are here to help you understand some of the basic concepts for Alps Alpine's humidity sensors. Alps Alpine humidity sensors are small capacitive sensors with both analog and digital output options. With a range of 0 to 100% relative humidity detection, Alps Alpine humidity sensors can be used for a variety of applications. A humidity sensor's function is naturally to measure the level of humidity, but humidity sensors are also used to detect ingress of moisture. Applications of the former include air conditioning systems and refrigerators, while uses of the latter are detection of moisture ingress in printer paper feed mechanisms and waterproof equipment. Here we introduce the sensing principles behind Alps Alpine's humidity sensors. Humidity sensors measure humidity in a variety of ways. Humidity is the amount or percentage of water vapor present in the air and is usually referred to relative humidity. Another measure is absolute humidity. Absolute humidity, kilograms over kilograms, is defined as mass of water vapor divided by mass of dry air. Relative humidity, percentage of relative humidity, is defined as amount of water vapor in the air at a given temperature divided by the amount of water vapor needed for saturation at that temperature. Alps Alpine humidity sensors measure relative humidity. The difference between relative humidity and absolute humidity can be illustrated using the following example. As air contracts or expands with the change in temperature, relative humidity changes while absolute humidity does not, because the water vapor content stays the same. Relative humidity decreases, absolute humidity stays the same as well. Humidity sensors measure humidity in a variety of ways. Alps Alpine's humidity sensors are electric and use change in capacitance. Capacitive humidity sensors, like Alps Alpine's, consist of two electrodes separated by a dielectric material, forming a capacitor. Humidity is measured by applying AC voltage between the electrodes and ascertaining the change in capacitance between the electrodes resulting from a change in permittivity or dielectric constraint due to the absorption of moisture in the dielectric material. By contrast, resistive humidity sensors use the change in conductivity of the dielectric material resulting from absorption of moisture. A built-in IC converts capacitance values obtained via the sensor into voltage. Alps Alpine has a variety of humidity sensors for both SMD and connector type requirements. Our sensors have also digital and analog output with temperature measurement capabilities. Compared to other types of humidity sensors, Alps Alpine's humidity sensors deliver high linearity of output. Product advantages include high precision, high linearity sensing, compact thin dimensions, and compatible with simplification of surrounding circuits. The HSHCAL001B is a digital humidity and temperature sensor. Small and low profile package, temperature measurement capability, and low current consumption with 140 microamps at 10 Hz. The HSHCAA006A is an analog humidity sensor, SMD type. The HSHCAL010B is a digital humidity and temperature sensor module type. This module sensor has low current consumption of 0.2 microamps. The HSHCAA series are analog humidity sensor module types. The HSHCAA120B is designed with a thermistor. The HSHCAA114A is designed with the thermistor with the added moisture restraint coating. Alps Alpine stands at the forefront of innovative value creation and looks forward to assisting our customers with their next product design utilizing our humidity sensor technology. Alps Alpine, perfecting the art of electronics.